Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do property site visits physically? Well, you've arrived at the right destination. This is Property Cloud, India's only prop tech online property solution portal. Now, what do I mean when I say that? Of course, this is the place जहाँ पे आप कर सकते हैं virtual site visits. So we will show you all the sites with the sample flats and all the details virtually. And then after that, you can also do physical site visits. All you need to do is simply contact us and we will help you with all the details that you need to know, and also a proper physical site visit which is absolutely free with pickup and drop service. Other than that, you can also get many discounts once you are booking your property with Property Cloud over here. But today, where am I and what are we doing over here? Well, I am at Majestic Evolvus and this is a very beautiful property. As you can see, this is the land parcel which is of approximately 10 acres and it's going to have a total of 14 towers which will have 3 levels of amenities that will be on the ground, the podium floor and also the rooftop. Now these are going to be 27-storied buildings which are going to have premium 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Out of this, there will be 2 towers which will have only 3 and 4 BHK premium towers. So now let's go and check out the sample flat from inside of the special 4 BHK apartment. Let's go. 1715 square feet is the size of this 4 BHK and it is enormously beautiful. Why am I saying that? Is something that you will realize once we get inside the house. But first things first, safety and security matters a lot, and that's the reason they have provided you a video door phone right over here, along with a digital door lock that can be operated with your fingerprint, with a digital key, with a physical key, and also a numeric lock. And then comes this space. Now this space is something that I've fallen in love with because of the area. It's pretty big. 10 by 5.9 square feet is the size of this entrance foyer, which is pretty big to accommodate your storage units, your shoe racks, and even some beautiful showcases. And then we enter into the living area. 21 by 12 is a big area for the living space. Along with that is an additional dining, but I'm going to talk to you about that later. First of all, I want you to take a good look at this living area and then we will proceed into the balcony. Now the balcony right over here is again of 18.6 by 7 square feet, which is again pretty big. It comes with these anti-skid ceramic finished wooden tiles, which give it which add to the beauty of it, and along with that, even the roof or the ceiling is also matching because even that comes in wooden finish. Now when you're seeing that, I hope you realize that the balcony is also covered from 3 sides. And here they have given a window which connects to your study room. I'm going to show that to you, but before that, take a look at this looking glass railing. It comes with a stainless frame and also it is pretty good heightened. Now, walking back from your sliding doors into the living area over here, this space is your dining area. This space, the reason I'm calling it is because it is 10.6 by 10.9 square feet. That is a big space. Now let's take a look into your kitchen. The kitchen is also pretty lengthy. 10 by 12.6 square feet is the area of the kitchen, and it comes with an L-shaped granite slab right over here that ends into your enclosed dry balcony. How do we know what is the enclosed dry balcony? Well, there is a tile rock right over here and that differentiates your wet and dry areas. The size of the dry balcony is an additional 9.6 by 4 square feet and it ends over here at this sink. Along with that, it also ends with this window over here, which is a sliding window and also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net, and also there is additional space for your exhaust despite having great ventilation. Now when we're walking out of the kitchen, I want you to notice one thing, that this wall over here is just being constructed for sample flat purpose. Otherwise, this is an open kitchen concept where you can, of course, do these kind of customizations. Now, right next to your dining area is the first common bedroom or the study area or the workstation. You can customize it as per your requirements. 12 by 10 square feet is the area of this one, and you remember this window that we saw from the balcony? Well, this window gives you a view of the balcony, so it is basically an open window that also comes over here with a fixtured glass, which is half of it, and half of it is a sliding glass that opens with a mosquito net pre-fitted right over here. Now it's time to take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. And in this common area over here is your common toilet and bath, which is of approximately 6.6 by 5 square feet and comes with anti-skid tiles and down-to-wall unified tiles, and also a wash basin right outside over here. Now let's take a look at your second bedroom. which is 14 by 11 square feet, and it comes with an attached toilet right over here too, which is of approximately 8 by 5 square feet. And here I am sitting in the study section. 5.3 by 6.6, you can already notice that the tiling has changed. It comes with a pretty big window over here. So this gives you the feeling of an enclosed balcony, because this is separate from your bedroom and this is your study area. It can also be converted into a work from home station or also a mini library, or there are so many endless possibilities. Well, now you want to see the rest of the house? Follow me, let's go. This over here is the guest's bedroom. Let's take a closer look at it. 14 by 11 is the size of this guest bedroom, and it comes with this pretty big window that can be slightly opened, and also it comes with a half fixed glass right down there. And over here is your attached toilet and wash to this room. The size of this one is of approximately 8 by 5 square feet. Here is the master bedroom. Let's take a closer look at this one. The size of the master bedroom is of approximately 12 by 14 square feet, and it comes with this big standing balcony over here as well, and pretty good space for your wardrobes and your storage unit. And now comes the most special part of the master bedroom, and that is this walk-in wardrobe. 5.6 by 8.6 is the size of this walk-in wardrobe, and let's take a look at the master bedroom toilet also, which is of approximately 8 by 5 square feet. And now you want to know the booking process and the rest of the details? Stay tuned with me, I'm going to tell you. And now it's time to talk about the main thing. That's going to be the booking process. In case you have liked this property and you want to come over here and book this property or do a physical site visit as well, you have arrived at Property Cloud, and this is the place where you are going to do your virtual site visits, which you've already done. Now, the best part about booking your house with Property Cloud is that you will get a free pickup and drop when you want to visit the site. Along with that, you will also get spot discounts, payment discounts, and many more. Along with that, we also directly connect you with the developer, because of which there is absolutely zero brokerage. So now these are just a few advantages that I told you about booking your property with Property Cloud. But very quickly, all you need to do is very quickly go and register yourself on Property Cloud and click on the link that's mentioned right below over here in the caption. Once you have done that, then you are registered on Property Cloud. That means you are one of our valuable customers for whom we will go that extra mile and help you booking your house absolutely hassle-free and also brokerage-free. Quickly go and do that. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.